Oh, yeah. Yay! Felix, who's that? Should we take your nums out? Do that, nums. Good boy. Felix, who's in your bag? Oh, who's up there? Who's up there? Can you see Peppa? Where's Peppa? Where's Peppa? Yeah! Right in their way. Where should we go first, Felix? Go to the back and work your way forward. Oh, Peppa! Should we go on Peppa's boat ride? What, Grandpa Pig's boat one? Okay, cool. We'll do that. No. Oh, the thingy one. It's off play. Ah, look, Felix! Look at the duckies! Who's that? Who are they? Oh, let me just record it myself, so I'll change it around that way. I mean, like, I know I'm recording myself anyway. Huh? What?
I saw food.
Ah. Go on then. Keep following the queue. Keep following it around. I think we're nearly there. Up some stairs. Felix, say cheese. Felix has got to sit by here, by Daddy.
The whole pepper?
Don't throw Pepper in the water. Get ready. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Who's coming? Ah. Who is it? Oh, it's spinning. Look, it's Peppa and Grandad Pig.
Yeah, they didn't have this when we came down. This and the ride at Birmingham all new.
Joy said you didn't go on there. I don't know. Wow, we're spinning. Like crazy.
I know, it's quite spinny, isn't it?
Spinning. Oh, look, it's the Queen.
Oh, look, she's jumping in the muddy puddles.
Ah, she's jumping in the muddy puddles. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
Remember the Miss Rabbit had fainted when
Alan.
Huh? Get ready.
Ready?
Get up.
Woo woo.
Woo!
That was the
Ah.
I'm gonna throw you. Oops.
It's missable.
Uh-oh.
Oh look, dinosaur tree.
There's a pirate boat coming.
The theme in it is just so good, isn't it?
Yeah. There's a pirate ship coming, Felix. They must not have opened that yet. Oh, they've only just, because there's a queue for it, but no people on.
What,
but that
on
one's got people
Oh,
on
I
it now.
see.
Oh, I didn't notice. Oh yeah. There was a few that went past. I didn't have anyone. Oh no, we've crashed.
We're heavier, we're going faster.
Uh-oh. Oh no!
Sit down, mate. Boy.
Who is it? Ah! Look! Who's that? Oh no, we're gonna crash again!
Hey, it's just like exciting, really, because they want to wait.
Yeah.
Wow!
Hello to you all. Hello, Mrs. Queen. Welcome to my castle. Thank you, Your Majesty. Would you like a little tour? Yes, please. Then off we go. Yippee!
Yeah, we're having a little tour.
Ooh, we are very high up, Your Majesty. Oh, whee! Oh, isn't it marvellous? One doesn't love to fly. I can see everything. Yes, one can see all around. Oh, wave to everyone.
Wave, Felix. You got to wave to everyone.
Are we on the roller coaster? We belong with you on the roller coaster. What do you see?
Maybe best not to like rush everything anyway, because we'll be able to probably walk on everything.
What?
I said it'd be best not to rush everything anyway, because we'll be able to walk on like
What do you
everything.
know about buried treasure? Well, I have been to Pirate Island, Your Majesty. Oh, how exciting. Oh, my. What's all that commotion over there?
Uh-oh.
It's Mr. Bull digging up the road.
Can you see Mr. Bull digging up the road?
What else can you spot? There's Grumpy Rabbit's sailing club. Ahoy there, Captain. Hello, Grumpy Rabbit.
Wow, look at the apples in the tree. Daddy and Tilly. Here they are. Woo!
You steering?
Yeah.
Go on then. You're having fun. Wow. Oh no. Uh-oh. I got it. Ready? No, sit down. Sit back down. Ready? Ah! Ah! I got it.
Board.
Steam ahead.
Woo!
Dum 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 dum. Do, 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 do.
I want to touch the grass.
No, get kicked out. Park. Who's driving the train? Grandpa
Pig, yeah.
Train. Is this Grandpa Pig's train?
Yeah.
Okay, great. You can literally just kind of like lean it against by there, so
Let's go.
Guys, how's it going?
Or if you go
You guys ever been on a dino safari before? No? Well, sit back
So they're filming
and
from
prepare to be totally
Is it
blown
filmed from
away.
It's filming, yeah, filming everywhere, so you're gonna have to face it.
That's a
Oh, okay.
It's 360.
Myosaura.
They're literally filming in front and behind.
She's got a nest, look, with eggs in it.
Dinosaurs.
Yeah, dinosaurs.
Tell me if you didn't see any. Get ready to turn. Turn. All the way, we're gonna crash if you
Did
turn
you hear
that
that?
way.
Crikey, that sounded mighty close. Okay, so I know I might come across as a fearless, intrepid explorer, but deep down, I'm a
I can see
safety
one.
man
I
can see
through and
one.
through. So please remain seated
Where's the
and
dinosaur?
keep your
Where is it?
arms and legs in the
Where is
car
it?
at all times.
Point to the dinosaur.
Oh, looks like there's some major work going on over there to the right. Rumour has it, and new species of dinos have been seen in the area.
I knew they should have done that.
Check out the magical waterfall
Oh,
ahead.
look at that little one.
Can you work out where the water comes from?
Like frog thing, can you see it?
Well, its source is deep down in the ground.
Oh,
It is said that this spring has been running now since the Cretaceous period. That's about 100 million
There's
years
another
ago.
one.
in old money. This fine-looking dino is an
Say
iguana
cheese,
dino.
Felix.
Hello, kids. Give me some wave.
That's Jacko, our security guy. He takes pics of everyone and plants them on the wall in our
Big tunnel.
This is a very special place, as a couple of raptors have decided to nest in this whole disused tunnel. Look at this.
Wow, look, baby.
Is it eggs? Wow! Look, guys, that baby raptor's just hatching. This is incredible. A rare treat for all of us. Cute little fella, isn't he, eh?
Ready?
Check him out. Wasn't
The
expecting
dinosaur
that.
got us.
That's one mighty big dino.
Quick,
Biscuit out
quick,
of here.
Felix, drive.
Drive away.
He is an Albertosaurus. He originally lived in Canada
Uh-oh.
over
Here
70
comes another
million
dinosaur,
years ago.
Felix.
You'll note he's got a handful of sharp teeth, so probably resides near the top of the food chain. Now these fellas to the left are ornitholestes. Hard to pronounce that one, eh? Well, they're bird eaters,
Past the,
but these
red
two
button.
look like